Imagine a world where your dreams are not just figments of your imagination, but realities you live every single day. Picture yourself waking up each morning with a sense of purpose, knowing that every step you take is a step closer to achieving the life you have always envisioned. This world is not a fantasy. It is within your reach. Your dreams are powerful beacons guiding you towards your true potential, and it is time to embark on the journey to make them come true. The first step in making your dreams come true is to believe in them wholeheartedly. This belief is not just a fleeting thought, but a deep-seated conviction that your dreams are not only possible, but also inevitable. When you believe in your dreams, you align your thoughts, actions, and energy towards their realization. This belief creates a magnetic force that attracts opportunities, resources, and people who can help you on your journey. However, belief alone is not enough. You must also take inspired action. Dreams require effort, dedication, and perseverance. They demand that you step out of your comfort zone and face your fears. Each action you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. It is the consistent, daily efforts that compound over time and lead to significant achievements. Do not be discouraged by the size of the task ahead. Instead, focus on the next step you need to take in your pursuit of your dreams. You will encounter obstacles and setbacks. These challenges are not signs of failure, but opportunities for growth. They test your resolve and help you develop the resilience needed to succeed. Embrace these challenges as part of the journey and learn from them. Each setback is a lesson in disguise, guiding you towards a better path. Remember, it is not the challenges that define you, but how you respond to them. A critical aspect of making your dreams come true is maintaining a positive mindset. Your thoughts are powerful tools that shape your reality. When you cultivate a mindset of positivity, gratitude, and possibility, you open yourself up to new opportunities and creative solutions. Practice affirmations and visualization techniques to keep your mind focused on your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences and eliminate negativity from your life. Another essential element is setting clear, achievable goals. Dreams can often feel overwhelming because they are vast and abstract. By breaking them down into smaller, manageable goals, you create a roadmap for success. Each goal achieved is a milestone that brings you closer to your ultimate dream. Celebrate your successes along the way and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is your imagination. Your ability to visualize your dreams vividly and in detail can significantly impact your ability to achieve them. Spend time each day imagining your dream life as if it were already real. Feel the emotions, see the sights, and experience the joy of living your dream. This practice not only keeps you motivated, but also trains your mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your vision. Your journey towards making your dreams come true will also require you to be adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your path may take unexpected turns. Stay flexible and open to change. Sometimes what seems like a detour is actually a shortcut to your destination. Trust in the process and remain committed to your vision, even if the route changes. Building a supportive network is crucial in your journey. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams and encourage you to pursue them. Seek mentors who have achieved what you aspire to and learn from their experiences. Collaborate with others who share your vision and can contribute to your success. Remember, you do not have to do it all alone. There is power in community. Self-care is often overlooked, but is vital in making your dreams come true. Your physical, mental, and emotional well-being directly impact your ability to achieve your goals. Take care of your body through proper nutrition, exercise, and rest. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to maintain mental clarity and emotional balance. When you prioritize self-care, you ensure that you have the energy and focus needed to pursue your dreams. As you work towards your dreams, stay connected to your why. Your why is the underlying reason behind your dreams, the driving force that keeps you going. When you encounter difficulties or feel like giving up, reconnect with your why to reignite your passion. Your why is the fuel that propels you forward, no matter how challenging the journey becomes. Patience is another essential virtue in the pursuit of your dreams. Great things take time, and the journey to success is often longer than anticipated. Trust that every step you take, even the small ones, are contributing to your ultimate. Be patient with yourself and with the process. Impatience can lead to frustration and burnout, while patience allows you to enjoy the journey and appreciate the progress you are making. One of the most empowering realizations is that you are the creator of your reality. You have the power to shape your life according to your desires. Take responsibility for your actions and decisions. Recognize that every choice you make is either moving you closer to or further away from your dreams. Empower yourself by making conscious choices that align with your vision. In your pursuit of your dreams, do not forget to enjoy the journey. Life is not just about the destination, but also about the experiences and growth along the way. Embrace each moment, learn from it, and find joy in the process. Your journey towards your dreams is a significant part of your life story, and it is essential to savor every chapter. As you move forward, stay true to yourself and your values. Authenticity is a powerful force that attracts genuine opportunities and connections. Do not compromise your values or try to fit into someone else's mold. Your uniqueness is your strength, and staying true to who you are will ensure that your dreams align with your true purpose. Never give up on your dreams. The journey may be long, and the road may be challenging, but persistence is the key to success. Keep moving forward. Even when progress seems slow, remember that every great achievement started as a dream, nurtured by belief, fueled by action, and realized through persistence. Your dreams are worth the effort, and you have the power to make them come true. As you continue on this journey of making your dreams come true, remember that every day is an opportunity to move closer to your goals. It's crucial to wake up each morning with a mindset focused on progress and growth. Begin your day with a positive affirmation, something simple yet powerful, such as, "I am capable of achieving my dreams." This sets the tone for your day and reinforces your belief in yourself. Staying organized and maintaining a clear vision is essential. Create a vision board or a dream journal where you can visually and textually lay out your dreams and the steps required to achieve them. This not only keeps your goals in sight, but also serves as a constant reminder of what you are working towards. Regularly update and review your vision board or journal, celebrating the milestones you achieve and refining your path as needed. Balance is key in your pursuit. While it's important to work hard and stay dedicated, it's equally important to find balance and avoid burnout. Ensure you are taking time for relaxation, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. A well-balanced life enhances your creativity and productivity, allowing you to approach your goals with a refreshed and energized mind. Networking and building relationships can open doors you never imagined. Attend events, join communities, and connect with like-minded individuals who share your passions and aspirations. These connections can provide support, mentorship, and opportunities that propel you towards your dreams. Remember, sometimes it's not just about what you know, but who you know that can make a significant difference. Invest in continuous learning and personal development. The world is constantly evolving, and staying updated with new knowledge and skills can give you a competitive edge. Take courses, read books, attend workshops, and stay curious. The more you learn, the more equipped you are to overcome challenges and seize opportunities that come your way. Cultivating resilience is crucial. There will be times when things don't go as planned, and setbacks can feel discouraging. However, resilience allows you to bounce back stronger. Practice self-compassion during these times. Understand that failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Every setback is a setup for a comeback, teaching you valuable lessons and building your strength. Your environment plays a significant role in your success. Create a space that inspires and motivates you. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's through the people you interact with, the books you read, or the content you consume. A supportive and uplifting environment nurtures your dreams and keeps you motivated. Self-reflection is a powerful tool. Regularly take time to reflect on your progress, your strategies, and your mindset. Are your actions aligning with your goals? Are there areas where you can improve or change your approach? Reflection helps you stay on track. And make necessary adjustments to ensure you're always moving in the right direction. Generosity and giving back can also fuel your journey. When you help others, you create a positive ripple effect that often comes back to you in unexpected ways. Share your knowledge, support others in their dreams, and contribute to your community. Acts of kindness and generosity not only enrich your life, but also create a network of goodwill that supports your journey. Staying adaptable and open to change is vital. The path to your dreams is rarely a straight line. Be open to new ideas, new strategies, and new opportunities. Sometimes, what seems like a deviation from your plan is actually the universe guiding you towards something even better. Trust the process and remain flexible in your approach. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Recognize your achievements and reward yourself for the hard work. Celebrating your successes keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. It's a reminder that you are capable of achieving great things, and that each step forward is a step toward your ultimate dream. As you continue to pursue your dreams, remember to keep your inner child alive. The wonder, curiosity, and limitless imagination of a child can be powerful allies in your journey. Let your dreams be as wild and big as your childhood fantasies. The world is full of possibilities. And with the right mindset and determination, you can achieve anything you set your heart on. Stay grateful throughout your journey. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It shifts your focus from what is missing to the abundance that is already present. A grateful heart attracts more to be grateful for, creating a cycle of positivity and abundance that propels you towards your dreams. Making your dreams come true is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and living a life that is true to your values and passions. It's about finding joy in the process, learning from every experience, and knowing that you are capable of achieving greatness. So as you move forward, carry these principles with you. Believe in your dreams with unwavering faith. Take inspired and consistent action. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Maintain a positive and grateful mindset. Set clear goals and visualize your success. Stay adaptable. Build a supportive network and invest in your growth. Celebrate your victories and enjoy the journey. Your dreams are a reflection of your potential and your purpose. They are the whispers of your soul calling you to a life of fulfillment and joy. Trust in yourself and the journey. Know that you have everything you need to make your dreams come true. The power lies within you. At each step you take, you are creating a reality that aligns with your highest aspirations. Keep moving forward with courage and confidence. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and contributions. Your dreams are not just yours. They have the power to inspire and uplift others. As you make your dreams come true, you create a ripple effect that can. The journey towards making your dreams come true is one of the most rewarding endeavors you can embark on. It's a path filled with discovery, growth, and profound transformation. As you continue this journey, let's delve deeper into some additional principles and practices that can further empower you. One important aspect is the power of intention. Setting clear and powerful intentions can guide your actions and decisions with purpose and clarity. Intentions act like a compass, ensuring that you remain focused on what truly matters to you. Start each day by setting an intention that aligns with your dreams. It could be as simple as committing to take one small step towards your goal, or as profound as embodying a specific quality, such as courage or patience, that you need. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in realizing your dreams. Being mindful means being fully present in each moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. This awareness allows you to make conscious choices that support your goals. Practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply by taking a few moments throughout your day to pause and reflect. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded, reduces stress, and enhances your focus and clarity. Embrace the concept of continuous improvement. Your dreams may evolve over time, and so should your skills and knowledge. Adopt a mindset of lifelong learning. where you constantly seek to improve and grow. This could involve learning new skills related to your dream, improving your existing talents, or gaining new insights and perspectives. Each step of improvement brings you closer to mastering the areas critical to your success. In addition to journaling, affirmations can be a transformative tool. Positive affirmations are statements that affirm your desired reality. They help reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Create a list of affirmations that resonate with your dreams and repeat them daily. Examples might include, I am worthy of achieving my dreams, I am capable and strong, or I attract opportunities that align with my goals. Developing emotional intelligence is another key factor. Being able to understand and manage your emotions as well as empathize with others enhances your ability to navigate the complex landscape of pursuing your dreams. Emotional intelligence helps you maintain positive relationships, resolve conflicts, and stay resilient in the face of setbacks. Practice self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skills to enhance your emotional intelligence. Harness the power of visualization and vision boards. Spend time each day visualizing your dream life in vivid detail. See yourself achieving your goals, experiencing the joy and satisfaction that comes with it. Vision boards, on the other hand, are a collection of images and words that represent your dreams and aspirations. Place your vision board somewhere you can see it daily. This constant visual reminder keeps your goals top of mind and reinforces your commitment to achieve. Understanding and managing your energy levels is crucial. Recognize the times of day when you are most productive and energetic and schedule your most important tasks during these peak periods. Equally important is knowing when to rest and recharge. Overworking can lead to burnout, so incorporate regular breaks, exercise, and activities that rejuvenate your mind and body into your routine. Stay open to feedback and be willing to adapt. Constructive criticism can offer valuable insights that help you improve and grow. Seek feedback from mentors, peers, and even those who may have differing perspectives. Use this feedback to refine your strategies and approaches, ensuring you're always moving in the right direction. The power of mentorship cannot be overstated. Finding a mentor who has walked a similar path can provide invaluable guidance, wisdom, and support. A mentor can help you navigate challenges, offer insights based on their experiences, and keep you accountable to your goals. If you don't have a mentor, seek out individuals you admire and respect, and don't be afraid to ask for their mentorship. As you move forward, be aware of the impact of your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself can significantly influence your mindset and motivation. Practice positive self-talk, encouraging and affirming yourself, especially during difficult times. Replace negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. This shift in internal dialogue can boost your confidence and resilience. Lastly, remember the importance of giving back. Contributing to others not only enriches their lives, but also brings a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own. Volunteer your time, share your knowledge, and support others in their dreams. The act of giving creates a cycle of positivity and abundance that benefits everyone involved. In conclusion, making your dreams come true is a multifaceted journey that requires a combination of belief, action, resilience, positivity, continuous learning, mindfulness, networking, adaptability, self-care, and giving back. Each of these principles and practices contributes to your overall success and fulfillment. Embrace them wholeheartedly and integrate them into your daily life. Your dreams are a unique expression of your potential and purpose. They are the guiding stars that lead you towards a life of meaning and joy. Believe in them with all your heart, take inspired action, and stay committed to your vision. No matter how daunting the journey may seem, know that you have the power within you to make your dreams a reality. Keep moving forward with determination, courage, and optimism. Trust in yourself and the process. Your dream life is not just a possibility, it's your destiny. By following these principles and staying true to your path, you can turn your dreams into a beautiful reality, inspiring others along the way. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go out and make them come true.